Most people believe that big success comes from big changes. They think they need massive motivation, extreme discipline, or a complete life reset. But what if the real reason your life isn't changing is because you're trying too hard in the wrong way? Welcome to Mindset Rebuilt, a channel created to help you rebuild the way you think, so your habits, actions, and results can finally change. Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful books on self-improvement, Atomic Habits by James Clear, and how tiny habits can quietly transform your entire life. Why big goals often fail. Most people focus on goals. I want to lose weight. I want to be successful. I want to change my life. But goals don't change behavior. You can have the same goal as someone else and still end up with completely different results. James Clear explains that goals set direction, but systems create progress. If your system is broken, your goals won't save you. What are atomic habits? The word atomic means small but powerful. Atomic habits are tiny actions that seem insignificant, but when repeated daily, they create massive change over time. Improving just 1% every day doesn't feel impressive, but over time, it compounds into something extraordinary. Small habits don't change your life overnight. They change the direction of your life. The real problem: identity. Most people try to change their results. Some try to change their habits, but very few try to change their identity. James Clear says, powerful quote, "Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become." You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your identity. If you see yourself as lazy, undisciplined, or inconsistent, your habits will follow that belief. Outcome versus process versus identity. There are 3 levels of change. 1. Outcomes, what you want. 2. Processes, what you do. 3. Identity, who you believe you are. Most people start from the top. Successful people start from the bottom. Instead of saying, "I want to read more," say, "I am the type of person who reads daily." That shift changes everything. Why habits are hard to stick to. Habits don't fail because you're weak. They fail because your environment is stronger than your motivation. Your surroundings silently control your behavior. If junk food is visible, you eat it. If your phone is always near, you scroll. If distractions are everywhere, focus disappears. Motivation is unreliable. Environment is permanent. The 4 laws of habit change, core of the book. James Clear introduces 4 simple laws to build better habits. Small blue diamond law 1. Make it obvious. If you want a habit to stick, make it easy to notice. Place reminders in your environment. Design your space to support the habit. You don't need more willpower. You need better visibility. Small blue diamond law 2. Make it attractive. We repeat habits that feel rewarding. Pair habits you need to do with habits you enjoy. For example, listening to your favorite music while exercising. Your brain follows pleasure. Small blue diamond law 3. Make it easy. Most people try to do too much. Start so small that failure feels impossible. Reading 1 page, doing 1 push-up, working for 2 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. Small blue diamond law 4. Make it satisfying. The human brain repeats what feels rewarding. Track your habits. Celebrate progress. Make success visible. What gets rewarded gets repeated. Why small habits beat motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. You don't need to feel inspired to brush your teeth every day. That's the power of habits. They remove emotion from action. When habits are automatic, progress becomes inevitable. Plateaus and the valley of disappointment. One of the most important ideas in Atomic Habits is the valley of disappointment. You work hard, you stay consistent, but results don't show. Most people quit here, but progress is delayed, not denied. Results compound invisibly until suddenly they appear. Stay patient, stay consistent. Real-life application, very important. You don't change your life in one day. You change it by showing up when it's boring, choosing discipline over comfort, and becoming reliable to yourself. Small habits don't feel heroic, but they build heroic lives. Final message, strong close. If you want a different life, stop chasing motivation. Start building identity-based habits, because every small action you take today is shaping the person you become tomorrow. This is mindset rebuilt. We don't believe in overnight success. We believe in daily progress that compounds. If this video helped you think differently, subscribe and rebuild your mindset one small habit at a time.